Oh my god. The rear end was just everywhere.
What is going on, guys? We are back at it with another beater car. This one's a little bit different. Me, Cody, and Billy are all doing a race coming up this October. It's called the Halloween Howler. Now, I think it's this year. It's a 2-day event. They have a 4-cylinder, a 6-cylinder, and an 8-cylinder class. And it's a 200-lap endurance race with 200 cars on a half-mile paved oval track. Wicked fun. It's mayhem. It's awesome. We're going to have a GoPro in each car. We originally going to run 4 cylinders. I have that Honda over there. But I decided that I couldn't pass up this beast. So, let me show you. This is a 96 Mercury Grand Marquis. 4.6 V8, complete beast. Gonna mow everyone over. It's gonna be awesome. So Billy's gonna have to find an 8-cylinder now. Where are you, Billy? There you are. But this race is awesome. It's so fun. If you're in the area, if you live close or you're interested, you should definitely check it out to watch, to race. It's a riot. But for right now, we want to go out and see how the old Grand Marquis handles. And it doesn't have a ball because it already got tagged once. So I had some lenses from a trailer, from like a typical, freaking a trailer. And I had the lenses from it, and we zip tied them together. And the boys here, they're gonna make this look nice, and we're gonna put some tape on it, and it's gonna look brand new. So we can go out and rip it around and not get pulled over. That's what we're up to right now. The old Grand Marquis. 4 brand new tires. Burnout ready. But apparently there's already dicks on it. Already. That's what they're laughing at back here. Dope drawing dongs. Now when the cops, if we get pulled over, they're gonna be like, what is that? That's funny. So, we're gonna do some stuff to the car. We'll show you as we go along.
It's broken. We gotta drill the hole.
Zip tie holes?
Yeah. I don't want to crack it. It's nice and slow.
It's working. You crack it?
It's cracked, but it's like good enough of a...
Nice.
We could do it.
Nice.
I think the wall wagon.
Oh, there you go. Perfect. Nice.
Let's see if that's big enough for a zip tie.
Hold on.
Word.
Hold 2.
And then last one.
Oh, you sheared the bit.
Did it go through?
No.
Sometimes the hole wins. Honestly, dude, the little ones might not even be long enough. I should try to run a big one.
So here's the rough zip tie job, getting in the area, getting the final zip ties up there. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna shut the trunk and then tape it so it's gonna look wicked professional. What do you think? How professional? Wicked?
Super wicked professional.
The final zip tie. These are dot approved.
Probably stronger than the original one.
Dot something.
Dirt jump approved.
Mid tape job. Grand Marquis taillight repair by your boys at Smoked Out. That looks pretty crappy right there. I don't think we need to do that much.
Nah, it's just so the light doesn't, you know what I mean? Yes. I don't fucking know. You said you don't want to get pulled over. We're making it look nice.
I wouldn't call that nice.
I do. Give him an 8+.
Gonna shut it? Yeah, give him a look. Heads up. Move Justin real quick. So yeah. Grand Marquis with the... Looks like just the same, right? Just a little bit... Beast. Oh yeah. So this is running lights on. Pretty bright considering. Okay, directional. Dude. Looks like factory. The left one? Oh yeah. Factory. The front one, change that. Fix that. Like I said, this is gonna be a howler car, so I don't want to blow it up instantly. So it's not reading on the dipstick, so we're gonna put a little bit of oil in it. We're not gonna blow it up quite yet. I hope this is oil. Considering this in the back of the car, yeah, it's oil. You never know. It could have been pee for all we know. Hey, this is the budget Camry oil. Probably not the best to run in cars, you know, you like, but it's good enough to run, you know. It's still oil. It still does. Yeah, we need a funnel. The funnel's enough. You all ready to rock and roll?
Yeah, let's get it. Let's see what this thing can do.
Going for a rip. Oh, I hit the mic off the roof.
As we're here in Mexico, we're gonna give the old wall wagon a skid test. Unfortunately, we're gonna have the one tire fire, but we're almost 99.9% positive it's gonna be that one. The lucky side. But nothing like an open diff burnout. Hey, is this, we're here for an Uber ride? Oh my God, the rear end was just everywhere. Nice. Yeah. Nice little pile of rubber. Oh, he got the cone.
We're almost out of gas. It's the wrong side! It's the wrong side!
I didn't know there was a friggin' toolbox right there. I can't breathe in here. It's so damn smoky. Oh, that was awful. Ugh, I can taste that, man.
Dude, I don't even, that's not even tire. I don't know what that is.
Oh, it's just foul.
God. That's the
Worse.
the one time I don't like a burnout. Dude, what was that? That wasn't even tire smoke. That was like death.
There's like black smoke.
Oh, God, that's like we're gonna die now. It's the freaking Black Plague. Oh God. Oh, just do a burnout real quick. It needs gas, but we'll do one more screecher for the people.
We're already through a quarter tank. Thank you, come again.